Asalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Qur'an Pod, the YouTube channel where we teach you how to recite the Holy Qur'an with proper tajweed. Make sure to like this video and subscribe if you want to learn how to recite the Book of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Also, don't forget to share this video so you get reward too. Before we start, I have to let you know that I am not a qari or a scholar. I'm just sharing information that I have learned from my teachers. The purpose of today's video is to give a basic introduction to Tajweed. I'll explain the meaning of Tajweed, the history of Tajweed, and why it's important. The linguistic or the literal meaning of Tajweed is to do something well or with proficiency. The applied meaning of Tajweed, when we're talking about reciting the Qur'an, is to ensure that we're pronouncing each and every letter correctly in the situation that we're in. For example, sometimes we pronounce the letter Ra lightly, such as in Surah Fatiha, we say غَيْرِ الْمَغْضُوبِ, and sometimes we pronounce it heavily, such as when we say اهْدِنَا الصِّرَاطَ الْمُسْتَقِيمِ. Now let's look at the history of Tajweed. At the time of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, people didn't need to learn Tajweed. That's because they were all Arabs that had mastered the pronunciation of the language. As Islam spread, however, people from different nations started to make mistakes when reciting. That's because they were carrying over the pronunciation from their native language to the recitation of the Qur'an. Therefore, the scholars decided it was necessary to record the rules and teach them. The Arabic of the Qur'an is different to the Arabic spoken by natives today, so even they have to learn Tajweed. The purpose of Tajweed is to make sure that the reciter of the Qur'an observes the correct pronunciation of each letter in the given situation, without any exaggeration or deficiency. Arabic letters have two components. The makhraj, which is the articulation point. This is a point in the mouth or throat where the letter originates from. The second attribute is the sifat, which is the attributes or characteristics of the letter in the given situation. Knowing the sifat and makhraj of each letter is a key component of Tajweed. A slight variation in the pronunciation of an Arabic letter can change its meaning, which is not permissible. Some scholars say that changing the meaning of a word in prayer will invalidate the prayer. Therefore, learning Tajweed is necessary for every reciter of the Holy Qur'an to ensure that they're not being sinful for making mistakes and changing the meaning of the words being recited. Here I have made a short quiz for you to recap this video. The answers are in the description box below, near the subscribe button. Jazakallah for watching this video. Make sure you like, share and subscribe so that you can learn how to recite the Book of Allah.